The Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation on Tuesday selected ICLEI South Asia Local Governments for Sustainability as a consulting firm for preparation of a proposed link to the Smart City mission, under which the corporation of the city of Panjim will convert the capital city into a smart city over a period of 5 years. The GSIDC has been appointed by the CCP as its nodal agency to select the consultancy for Smart City mission, as well as set up the technical cell for the implementation of the mission. The Smart City cell was inaugurated at the EDC House on Wednesday at the hands of Deputy CM Francis D'Souza. Also present at the occasion were Panjim MLA Siddharth Kunkolekar, CCP Mayor Shubham Chodankar, Commissioner Sanjeet Rodriguez and others. The Deputy Chief Minister appealed to the people of Panjim to send in their suggestions as soon as possible.
Panjim has already derived a vision and they are going across with this vision. This vision is open today to public, to add, to strengthen or to modify. To make Panji a world-class city while retaining its heritage and cultural values. It's very important. We have Panjim because of our culture, because of our heritage, because of our landmarks, because of our people, because of our art, because of our values, to achieve a better standard of living. So citizen is first. How to achieve a better standard of living for the citizen and quality of life in a sustainable environment. Environment means built environment, natural environment, systems which come forward. All this environment has to be sustainable. We have to work upon it. And through a public-private, when I say public-private, my economy comes into being. My commerce comes into being. My service-related industry comes into being, and community participation. Please work on that, and please put your suggestions. We have n number of avenues for you to put your suggestions. It does not pain you. It does not hurt you. Please come forward and put your suggestions on a day-to-day basis. Whatever you think, whatever spark you get, whatever idea you get, this is a process of ideation. Just mail us, just tweet, just put it on Facebook, just drop in the drop boxes. It doesn't cost you, but it will make Panji win. So this is a process. The first phase will be the concept plan. We have started the concept plan. This is how the concept plan will be worked upon. What's happening here? Hello, check. So it will go up to 25th of October.
Akasta Panji is comparable to any world-class city. आणि आमका ही हे शहर स्मार्ट सिटी हांव ह्या दिसांनी आयकता आनी पेपरांनी खुबशे तर वितक येता लॉट ऑफ स्पेक्युलेशन्स गोज ऑन बट आय थिंक स्मार्ट शहर म्हणजे म्हज्या डेफिनेशन प्रमाणे एक नीट नेटके शहर ज्या शहरांत प्रत्येक सिटीजन म्हणजे एक भुरगो आसूं नाजाल्यार जाणटो आसूं नाजाल्यार युवा आसूं म्हाका दिसता ताचें एक जीवन बरे भशेन हांगा वतलें तो सांजचो पासयेक गेल्यार कामाक गेल्यार शिकपाक गेल्यार सेफली परत घरा पावतलो टायमली घरा पावतलो बरे भशेन फ्रेश एक सुखमय जीवन जातलें हे म्हजे संकल्पना स्मार्ट शहराची म्हाका दिसता हांव डेफिनेटली कन्सल्टंट टू द सेक्रेटरेट स्मार्ट सिटी सेक्रेटरी हांचे फुडें मांडटलोच तुमी हांगा मांडपाक जाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट wants very innovative ideas, novel ideas, and frugal ideas which may not cost you much. आम्ही आता one way system पणजे शहरात implement केली. व्हडलोसो आम्ही पैसो तेजेर खर्च करू ना. तकली खूप लढयली, खूपशे स्टेक होल्डर्स तुमच्या कडल्यान मतां घेतली. आमचे ट्रॅफिक पुलिस सेल, कमिशनर, our corporators play an active role to give these ideas. आणि म्हाका दिसता आमी एक बरे भशेन सिस्टम एट अ व्हेरी लो कॉस्ट फक्त आमी चेंज केले ते साइन बोर्ड्स थोडेशे आमी पुलिस पर्सनल दवरले तांचो पगार आणि थोडे आमचे एक जागरूकताय म्हाका दिसता बरी सिस्टम आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करून दाखयली मिडिया प्लेड अ इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन मेकिंग दिस सिस्टम वर्क सगळे बरोबर आयले आणि आमी एक लो कॉस्टान बरे सिस्टम आयज बरी चलता शहराचे नॉइज पोल्युशन खूपशे कमी जाला ट्रॅफिक जॅम्स जायना स्मूथ फ्लो आसा अशी सिस्टम ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका 95% पॉझिटिव्ह फीडबॅक्स आयले थोडे नेगेटिव्ह डेफिनेटली येता थोडीशी मातशे लेंथ चड भोंवची पडटा थोडे मातशे फाटी येवपाक मेळना एक एकदां पूण ओवरऑल बरी सिस्टम लो कॉस्ट सिस्टम एक नॉवेल सिस्टम मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट इज एक्झॅक्टली लुकिंग एट दिस टायप ऑफ सजेशन्स आनी हाज्या पयलीं खुबश्यो स्किमी आयल्यो JNNURM म्हणून एक स्कीम आशिल्ली we want to make this scheme Smart City Mission citizen centric. सिटीजन म्हणजे आमचे नागरिकांकडल्यान सजेशन येवपाक जाय. आम्ही फक्त कन्सल्टंटान कितें तरी ड्रॉइंग बोर्डार केले, बरे चित्रां काडली, बरी ड्रॉइंगां काडली, 5वे तांबडे ताका कलर दिले, ताका कांयच अर्थ ना. संजिता हांगा क्लियरली सांगला आम्ही सांगपाक जाय आमकां कितें जाय तें.
And I think once that compulsion is there, then you have to consult. Of course, I believe that elected representatives have the power to decide things. The Constitution has given them the powers. They are our city fathers, so they know what they are doing. So we have to understand that they have been given the powers to decide things. But we can also consult. Unfortunately, in the urban areas, we don't have the Gram Sabhas. So we are left with no option but to have a citizen consultative committee so that some consultation takes place between the common man and the city fathers. Otherwise, you are not representative in the true sense of the word. Legally, you might be representative, but when deciding issues come, that listening to people, hearing them, understanding them, looking at the needs is strictly followed. So friends, I won't take much of a time. Although the smart city concept is one of the best initiatives of this, my government, I would say that it will take a huge effort to bring everybody on board. That is a challenge before the corporation, to get everybody on board. We are highly intelligent people, I would say. And when we come to contribution, I think nearly everybody can contribute. It's the second most literate state in the country after Kerala.